Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on AndroIndian. So last videos already we seen how we can run and how we can compile our Java application. That is where we are writing this Java code in Notepad or WordPad something text editors. But in coming we next videos we will concentrate on this Java programs on IDEs. IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. So using IDEs, there are a lot of benefits. I will explain the benefits of using IDE in separate video, but in this video, we will concentrate on how to install IDE and what is IDE we'll use for Java. So to develop a Java application, we'll use the IDE called, so that IDE called as Eclipse. So just I'm opening in a browser. In a browser, I'm typing here as Eclipse download. So I'm opening this eclipse.org. It's a completely open source. Here I want to download this IDE for 64-bit. If in case your system has 32-bit, you can search for the IDE 32-bit. But right now in my system it is 64, so I'm downloading this. So it's downloading. It's already, I told this is an open source. See, once it is downloaded, just we can install. Installation process, we can see it's still downloading. So once it is downloaded, we'll see how to install this. So if we use an IDE, here in a simple steps, we can create a project, and in a simple steps, we can write a program without any errors. Means right now, if we are writing some code, if we write some spelling mistake and all, or if you use a class object and all, we cannot we cannot easily identify those, this is class, this is object, this is like that. We cannot identify easily on a notepad. But if I write some program in IDE environment, that easily we can identify here. Also without command prompt, we can run our program in IDE itself. Somewhere we can able to see the output of our program. It's a very simple thing. Also sometimes some basic syntaxes also can generate automatically without any interruptions. See, in simple ways it can be generated. That how it happens we can see here. Okay, still it is downloading because it's a more than an 100 MB file, so it's downloading. Just allow me some time. It's showing 2 minutes. We'll finish in a minute. So easy steps we can install this. Just we install and we'll see one sample basic program output in this video. In the next two videos we can concentrate on more programs. So here again in this even this Eclipse also, while choosing an Eclipse there are multiple as there. This is Eclipse is not only for Java. Using this Eclipse we can develop PHP applications, we can develop Java application, we can develop .NET, a lot of other sources applications also we can develop using this IDE. Okay, so still it is in Still it's not completed downloading. See, this IDE's tools, lot of packages, IDE, Eclipse versions. You can choose always the latest IDE so that it has all updated. And one more thing here, when we use this IDE, even though if in your system after Java installation, even if you won't set any environmental variable also, it can automatically uh, take that environment from the IDE itself. That is a main benefit of this IDE. So this IDE's company as an Eclipse ORG. Eclipse ORG. So it's open source for these solutions, open source for the system engineering solutions, open source for the geospatial applications. Means using this we can develop many applications. Yeah, it's almost completed. We can see this. Yeah, I think you are able to see my here this once it is downloaded completed, it automatically start installation process here. So that installation process won't take much time. It will take 2 to 5 minutes of this. It can be finished. So here you can see here a lot of things about this. Using welcoming language, it will ask welcoming language and respectful of differing views and experience, gracefully accepting the consecutive and focusing on what-based community, showing empathy towards the community members. Like it has many benefits. Yeah, it's almost 20 seconds, 25 seconds, 15 seconds. Yeah, 10 seconds. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 0 seconds. So it's completed. It's opening this download. So download as completed. So we can able to install that now. So it's my progress here is going on. Eclipse installer is opening here. So here we can able to see this. Yeah, so it is asking that. See, for this we are developing for Java. See, I state C, C++, Java, PHP and all, but we can start from this Java. So install. In this there are two things are there. One is an JVM Java virtual machine that is automatically where it will call, and installation folder. Somewhere it is asking that installation folder. Now it is installing. So create menu entries and create a desktop shortcut. It can be to this here in a desktop. You can create one shortcut so that from next program while writing that directly you can open this Eclipse from there. So just it will take 1 to 2 minutes to finish these steps. Meanwhile, I'll open this some of the sample uh, programs which already we discussed in our this that program. I'm opening that. So the same program will run using this here. This is in operators. We discussed about something operators. So that how we can see here, we can see here how this operator program will execute here. This that we can see here in detail. Yeah, it's almost done. More than 70% it's completed. This speed and all will take depends on your system. It will take time. So for another benefits of this is when you are using your application as means file version controlling any XML editor, Maven, Gradle, everything. This about this what we'll discuss later. But these all this IDE can support for that. Easily we can integrate all these things into your IDE. So that is a main benefit of these IDEs. So it is saying that some problem is there from this side. It is slowly, but anyhow it will finish. We are good to complete this. Almost we are in the ending stage of this. So from next program onwards, we will concentrate on this IDE only. Well, directly we'll write an IDE and we can easily run the programs using this in a simple way. So here it is showing this one donate button. Because of this open source, it is showing there as a donate button. If anyone who are interested to donate something, you can donate also. While installing here, it is download a lot of files. Because of that files, also it is a little bit slow. So still it will take another 2 to 3 minutes to finish this. But anyhow, any IDE when we are trying to install, it will take time. But once that IDE is installed in a system, it's a very simple to write any programming languages. easily we can do these all things. So it is taking more time. So just I'm closing this video here itself. Once this installation is completed, in the next video we'll see this continuous process, how to create a program and all. From here just it will by clicking on next it can be finished this step, then we can see in the next step. And thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates.